Yeah, so just like if you see, let's turn this into a neuroanatomy class. Get out of here, Hammer.
There it is.
So just those folds, the sulci and the gyri.
Point with one finger.
Okay, yeah, I can do that.
We'll put the rest.
Oh, sorry, guys.
That's fine. You can point with that one.
Wait, what's the finger that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I figured it out.
All right, we're gonna point.
That part, I probably should have had that figured out this whole time, right?
Molly, I insist you teach class with Surgeon Simulator. Just bust this out for your students.
These are, so
oh no.
Yeah, the sulci is like the part that's raised, the lighter color, and then the gyri are the grooves. So it's just a bunch of folds. So if you think of a piece of paper, if you lay it flat, but then it's 8 by 11. Once you like scrunch it up and fold it, you can really condense it into a really tiny amount of space. So that's the idea of the cortical folding, is that you can fit more surface area in a smaller bit of space.
Let's detour. Let's open this guy.
Okay.
Let's grab the brain out.
Okay. Oh, I forgot my thumb.
I think you can just like swat it or something. Okay.
Right.
So now you're gonna want to like turn it down. Go in there. Let's grab a brain. I think
this way.
Right. Yeah,
there we go. There we go. Open. I gotta turn a little bit. Down a little bit.
Okay. Let's just put it out on the countertop. Can you grab it? Let go of the left button.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you have figured out how to play this.
Pull it out. Let's just move it down. Let go of that button.
Okay.
Holding. Let's set it down.
Okay.
Can you point to the regions of the brain and what function they have? Oh man.
Oh, that's a pretty good view, actually. Look at that.
This is an educational, all right. So one finger. All right.
Okay. The problem is he's going to run out of blood before I
we
get
got this. You have plenty of time. All right, there we go. All right, what are the regions?
So this is the temporal cortex. Behind, if we could like cut the brain in half and like flip it over, then we would see that's where the hippocampus is. So you have a hippocampus in both hemispheres. This is the cerebellum. It's the little brain. The cerebellum, I think we were talking about a question of like what's going to happen or what's a future innovation.
Yeah.
I think figuring out what the cerebellum does, we currently just think of it as like procedural memory, and it's just this thing back there that helps you stay balanced. And when you're drunk, the cerebellum doesn't work anymore. That's why you get like floppy and dizzy when you walk.
Yeah.
But there's also a lot of evidence that shows it's highly connected and involved during different cognitive processes. So I think there's more to figure out about the cerebellum.
That's fine.
So, and then back here is the occipital cortex. So this is a large part of our brain is devoted to processing visual information. We're a very visually heavy species. Up here, if we we are looking more at the top of the brain. We're looking at the motor cortex and the sensory cortex. And then all up here is a big chunk of the prefrontal or the frontal cortex. Here's the prefrontal cortex. Underneath here is some of the piriform cortex, which is part of like the olfactory system. And kind of where that hole is, it looks like that's where they have the brain stem coming out.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
That was, ladies and gentlemen, no other stream on Twitch will give you such detail with respect to the brain. There you go.
There we go.